Assalamu alaikum student. Today we learn number work. Listen carefully and note down in figures the four number in the story. गौर से सुनिए और कहानी में लफ्ज़ों में आए हुए 4 अदद अंग्रेज़ी हिंदसों में लिखिए. Our chapter name is The Golden Feather. One day, the queen was taking a walk in her garden when she found a big, beautiful golden feather. Then she met a little man. He said, "If you give me that feather, I will give you 3 big diamonds." "Sorry," said the queen. Then she met an old woman. The old woman, "If you give me that feather, I will give you a necklace of 21 pearls." "Sorry," said the queen. Then she met the king. The king said, "If you give me that feather, I will give you 99 gold coins." "Sorry," said the queen. Then she met the little prince. He said, "Oh, Mama, what a bright, beautiful feather." "Take it, my dear," said the queen. "Keep it safe."